Hi, my name is Matt Merold, and I serve at Bethany Christian Church in Washington, Indiana. You know, there's one thing that has been a great help to my ministry here at Bethany, and that is this simple thing of leadership develops daily, but not in a day. You know, it's about the process, not about the event. There is an awesome event, though, on October the 8th through the 10th called the Spire Conference. It's at the World Center in Marriott, Orlando. I'm bringing my ministry team because I believe in the event and that it will challenge me and my team to grow as leaders. But I'm really excited about the launch of the online platform found at Spire.network. It launches at the same time in early October as the conference, and the conference will challenge you to be a better leader, but the platform is designed to give you daily tools so you can change to be the leader that you know you can be, a better leader. Spire was created out of that one simple truth, that leadership is developed daily and not in a day. I hope to see you at the event, and I am excited about becoming a better leader with you on that platform called Spire.network. My name is Matt Merold, and I'm leading a movement in Southern Indiana.